Hello students, we will continue with the chapter solution of right angle triangles. In the last class we stopped at the 9th sum, and here we will start with the 10th one. Here you have got one figure where triangle BCD is a right angle triangle and angle ADE is angle 45. And triangle ADE is also a right angle triangle which is right angled at E. Here you are supposed to find the length of AB. So if you observe the figure, AB is equal to AE plus EB. AB is equal to AE plus EB, and BC is given as 30 centimeter. So if BC is 30 centimeter, ED will also be equal to 30 centimeter, or you can say DE is also equal to 30 centimeter. Now, since we have to find AB, we have to find AE as well as EB. To find AE, we will consider the triangle AED. So in triangle AED, we will find tan 45. The ratio tan 45 will be equal to AE upon ED. And tan 45, the value of tan 45 is 1, and AE upon, and I said DE will be also equal to 30, so this is 30. Therefore, you get AE is equal to 30 centimeter. Now, to find EB, we will go to the triangle BED. If you see, triangle BED is also a right angle triangle. So, with reference to this triangle BED, we can form the ratio tan 60. So, tan 60 will be equal to BE upon DE. BE upon DE. The value of tan 60 is root 3 and BE upon, and you know DE is equal to 30. So, you get BE is equal to 30 root 3 centimeter. So, after finding AE and BE, we can find AB. We have already written it is AE plus BE. So, you get 30 plus 30 root 3, which will be equal to 30 of 1 plus root 3. You know the value of root 3, which is equal to 1 plus 1.732, which will give you 30 into 2.732, which is equal to 81.9 centimeter. Now the next sum. In the given figure, AB and EC are parallel to each other. Sides AB and BC are, sides AD and BC are 2 centimeter each. So AD is 2 centimeter, BC is 2 centimeter, and are perpendicular to AB. So you get this is a perpendicular and this is perpendicular. Now, it is given angle AED is 60 degree and ACD is 45 degree. It is 45 degree. And you have to find AB, AC and AE. So, we will start with AB. So, these two are 2 centimeter. To find AB, we will use this. These two are parallel lines. So, angle ACD will be equal to angle CAB because they are interior alternate angles. So, this will become 45 degree. Now, we will consider triangle ABC. we will form the ratio tan 45 is equal to BC upon AB. So tan 45 is 1 and BC we know 2. AB, doing cross multiplication, you get AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Now to find AC, we will consider the triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD, you have to find AC. If you observe the triangle ADC, AC is the hypotenuse. So we need to find a ratio where you have a hypotenuse and perpendicular. So the ratio which connects perpendicular with hypotenuse is sine. So in triangle ADC, sine 45 is equal to AD upon AC. And you know sine 45 is 1 by root 2 is equal to AD is given as 2. AC you have to find. Do the cross multiplication. So you get AC is equal to 2 root 2 and you know the value of root 2 1.414 which will give you 2.828 centimeter. So this is your AC. So you found out AB, AC. Now next is AE. Now to find AE, you have to refer the triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, to find AE, now AE is the hypotenuse for this right angle triangle and 2 centimeter is your perpendicular. So the ratio which connects perpendicular with hypotenuse is sine and the reference angle is 60 degree. So sine 60 will be equal to AD upon AE. And you know the value of sine 60 which is root 3 by 2 which will be equal to 2 upon AE. So now to find AE, do the cross multiplication. Root 3 AE is equal to 4 and AE will be equal to 4 upon root 3. Rationalize it, you get 4 root 3 upon 3. So that will be equal to 4 into 1.732 by 3 which will give you 2.31. Now moving on to the next sum. In the given figure, angle B is equal to 60 degree. So you have a triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 60 degree and AB is 8 centimeter and BC is 25 centimeter. You have to find BE and AC. That means you have to find this length and AC. So to find BE, we need the triangle ABE. So we will consider the triangle ABE. So for first thing, in triangle ABE, we will find here this is a hypotenuse and we have to find AE and BE. So to find AE, we can use sine. Sine 60 is equal to AE upon AB. So sine 60, you know it is root 3 by 2 AE upon 8. So this gets cancelled which will give you AE is equal to 4 root 3 centimeter. Doing cross multiplication. And for the same triangle, if you use cos ratio, cos 60 will be equal to BE upon AB. And you know the value of cos 60 which is 1 by 2. is equal to BE upon AB, which is 8. So you get, doing cross multiplication, BE is equal to 4 centimeter. Now if BE is 4 centimeter, what will be CE? Now EC will be equal to 25 minus 4, which will be equal to 21 centimeter. See students, this total length is 25 and you have found out BE as 4. So the remaining will be 25 minus 4, which is equal to 21 centimeter. And you have already found out AE is 4 root 3. So now we will find AC. So in triangle AEC, you can apply Pythagoras theorem, which will give you AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. And AC square is equal to, you know the value of AE, which is 4 root 3 the whole square, plus CE. CE is 21 square. So 16 3s are 48 plus 441, which will give you 489, and AC will be equal to root over of 489, which is, you can find out the square root, which will give you 22.11 centimeter. So since here in triangle AEC there is no angle mentioned, I am using the Pythagoras theorem. Now moving on to the next sum, that is the 14th sum. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Find the magnitude of angle A if AB is root 3 times BC. So in this triangle, angle B is 90 degree. You have to find the angle A. And the given condition is AB is root 3 times of BC. So what you can do here is, you take BC as x, so AB will become root 3x. So BC you consider it as x, so obviously AB will become root 3x. Now with reference to this angle A, BC will be the perpendicular and AB will be the base, and the ratio which connects perpendicular with base is tan. So tan A will be equal to BC upon AB. So tan A is equal to x upon root 3x, and tan A will be equal to 1 upon root 3, and you know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So A will be equal to 30 degree. Now the second part of the question, the condition is BC is root 3 times of AB. Here also you have to find the magnitude of angle A. So you have to find this angle A. This is a right angle triangle which is right angled at B. So here I will take AB as x and BC is expressed as root 3 times of x. So BC will become root 3x. Now with reference to this angle A, BC is your perpendicular and AB is the base. So tan A is equal to BC upon AB. So tan A is equal to BC is root 3x upon x. X and x gets cancelled, which give you tan A is equal to root 3 and tan A is equal to tan 60. The value of tan 60 is root 3. So A will be equal to 60 degree. Now the next one, a kite is attached to a 100-meter long string. Find the greatest height reached by the kite when the string makes an angle of 60 degree with the level ground. So here you have a string. Let this be the string which is given as 100 meter, and this string is making an angle of 60 degree with the level ground. So this is your level ground, and you have to find the height reached by the kite. So the string is making an angle of 60 degree with the level ground. So let this be a triangle ABC, and where angle B is 90 degree. Now you have to find this height, that is AB. Let it be X. Now if you observe this figure with reference to this angle, 60 degree, AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. So the ratio which connects perpendicular with hypotenuse is sine. So sine 60 will be equal to AB upon AC, and you know sine 60 is root 3 by 2 x upon 100. So this gets cancelled, which will give you x is equal to 50 root 3, or 50 into 1.73, which is equal to 86.6 centimeter. So these are the few sums which was taken from exercise 24th. I'll continue with the same exercise in the next class. Thank you, children.